Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we are facing problems with our OBS Studio in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to close our OBS Studio. So whenever it's open, please just click on this arrow here and then just click on the icon, and then you will see that this is now closed. And the moment you close it, please click on the Windows search tab and then type OBS. And the moment you do that, this will come up in the best match section. So in here, all you need to do is just open the file location, and then the moment you do that, you will now be brought in this window here. So please click again the open file location. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just click on this OBS 64 and then make a right click on it and then click on the properties option. So the moment you do that, you will see another window here. This is the OBS 64 properties. So in here, all you need to do is just go to the compatibility tab, and once you see this compatibility mode, all you need to do is to check this one and then run this program in compatibility mode 4. Instead of choosing Windows 8, please choose Windows 7, and then the moment you do that, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. And if you're still facing problems with your OBS 64 or OBS Studio, all you need to do is just open OBS Studio. And then the moment you do that, it will now open, and you will see there the help section. If you see the help section at the bottom, at the top, at the very top of the screen, it's in the file edit section. You will see that the last option is help. Please click on help, and you will see here the check for updates option. And the moment you do that, you can now be seeing the updates that are available in your OBS Studio. And the moment you do that, or the moment you see that, please click on the update now button, and then you'll be able to download and install the updates for your OBS Studio, and your problem will now be fixed. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.